Yeah, we're adding in the wind tomorrow, a little bit stronger than today, but it is going to be nice. 60 degrees at 8 o'clock, Leon, and then by the afternoon, we are up into the 80s. We're standing right here at the intersection of Morris and Green, completely blocking the road, and thankfully, it fell across the road and not on this house right here. But we are watching this storm just south of Havana, pushing into Montgomery County. There is going to be the potential right there in that little hail core for some very, very large, possibly tennis ball size hail with that. This is your warning now that anything outside that you don't want blowing down the street, now is the time to bring it in, secure it to something. A tiny change in temperature really close to the surface can make a really big difference for us. And it was a beautiful Easter Sunday here across KAKE land. I hope you're able to get outside and enjoy the well above normal temperatures. One thing about this snow, it is a very wet snow, which means perfect snowball making snow. Check this out. I mean, you can pack this thing pretty tight. It's all of those little black dots that you're seeing on our infrared satellite popping up. So that is where all that smoke is coming from. We've got lots of kiddos out. Despite the cold, they are still having lots of fun, getting all the candy to eat as well.
Now your KAKE First Alert forecast with meteorologist Brooklinn Rae.
Well, it's been a pretty decent work week for us so far, but we've got some changes as we're heading into the weekend, and one of those being the return of the possibility for some severe weather. We're taking you to Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, really a good portion of KAKE land. If you're highlighted in yellow, you have the potential to see a strong to severe thunderstorm. Not everyone in this area will, but if you are highlighted, make sure you're just being weather aware Sunday afternoon and evening. We could see some large hail, damaging wind gusts, and we're not going to rule out the possibility for an isolated tornado or two. Let's walk you through that severe weather risk for you as we're heading into your weekend. We start off with a little bit of cloud cover this morning, as well as that fog. That's all clearing on out. We're left with blue skies, plenty of sunshine behind that as our weak front pushed through the area. And we're going to stay dry through the rest of the weekend. Really not going to see, or at least through the rest of the evening, excuse me, not really going to start to see those rain chances increase until your Saturday afternoon. We'll start to build in a little bit of cloud cover through Saturday. I think a few spotty showers possible, mainly into the afternoon and evening. Western Kansas kind of sliding into central KAKE land, but that rain chance really starts to increase for us by Saturday night into early Sunday morning. And hopefully this plays out that we've got some decent shower chances, spotty to scattered showers here across south central KAKE land through kind of lunchtime Sunday into early Sunday afternoon. And then our eyes are on western Kansas, where we start to see a few of those showers, thunderstorms start to develop, and a few isolated storms could be on the strong to severe side as they develop in western Kansas and track on off to the east. That's where we're going to be watching for that potential kind of early evening into the overnight hours for some of those storms to produce some damaging wind gusts, some large hail, and possibly a tornado or two. We're also going to be dealing with some strong wind gusts apart from any of those severe storms. We're already feeling those gusts right now, anywhere from about 20 to 35 miles per hour. They were a little bit stronger earlier, but have died down just a little bit. They'll continue to relax through the rest of the evening, but then they pick right back up by tomorrow. Not quite as bad here in central Kansas, but western KAKE land, you're going to be seeing those gusts 40, possibly a few gusts 45 miles per hour, and then it just gets worse for us heading into Sunday. Widespread gusts of 40 to 45, waking up Sunday morning, and by Sunday afternoon, I think we're going to see some gusts, several gusts, anywhere from 50, maybe even a little bit stronger than that, kind of throughout your Sunday afternoon and evening. So this is your time to be aware if you need to secure any outdoor items that are going to get blown around. They're absolutely going to get blown around heading into the weekend. So secure those now, and also know that that fire risk will be increasing for Sunday as well. So make sure you're not doing any burning. On top of that, the severe risk, that the wind that we've got in the forecast, also going to be watching for the potential for some light snow on the back end of this system by late Sunday into early Monday. I do think we're going to see some spotty snow showers southwestern KAKE land. Still a good band of snow pushing across the western portion of the state before a few little flurries, all of that kind of clearing out by Monday. At this point, I think we could see a few accumulations anywhere from maybe 1 inch to 2 inches across far western Kansas. That's kind of what the models are pointing right now. GFS going a little crazier with those snowfall totals, but I think we'll see as it gets a little bit closer, we'll have some more details on that. Temperature wise now, much cooler than yesterday. We're in the 50s across the state, and we're going to cool down a little bit more overnight tonight as well, with lows for most in the 30s, and then a little bit cooler for us in Wichita tomorrow afternoon. 56 for us for that high, 54 in Salina, and lower 60s across far western KAKE land. And of course, it's not going to be too enjoyable with those breezy conditions. A few spotty showers for us for your Saturday evening. But that best rain chance, storm chance for us Sunday evening into Sunday night, continuing into Monday, highlighting you in yellow because of the strong wind, but also because the potential for the strong to severe thunderstorms. 50 for your high on Monday, much quieter work week after Monday with temperatures back up into the 70s by Friday. North central Kansas, mid 50s for your Saturday, 62 Sunday with the potential for strong to severe storms, windy conditions on Sunday, a lot to think about for your Sunday. Breezy into Monday with a few spotty showers, maybe the light wintry mix for you north central. 44 on Monday, a cold start to the work week, but we're back up into the 60s and 70s by the end of the week. Southwestern Kansas, 60 for your Saturday, 68 on Sunday with storms, windy conditions for you across western Kansas through Saturday, Sunday into Monday. Light snow Monday, high of 40 with overnight lows down into the teens, but you're back up to 70 Thursday and Friday in northwest Kansas. 60 for your Saturday, mid 60s on Sunday. Breezy to windy conditions through the weekend as well. Showers, light snow, I think heading into early Monday morning. 36 degrees for that high Monday, but then back up closer to 70 by the end of the week. So definitely that whiplash for you, especially across western Kansas, and really just a lot to talk about. Wind, snow, severe,
Storms,
so
yes.
just be weather aware this weekend.
Yeah, for sure. And it might be a good weekend just to stay inside and do some spring cleaning.
Yeah, and watch some KU basketball.
That's right.
At least Saturday.
All right. Thanks, Brooklyn.